Okay, a while back we picked up this big old electric mixer. It's a Universal, made by, what did that say, Dormeyer?
I think so.
Anyway, as you can tell, it's really old. I've got it all cleaned up as good as I could do it. And we're going to use it for the first time today and see
because it does actually
if it'll work. Yeah,
like we know it works.
Yeah, it'll spin.
If it'll work for actually
mixing stuff. Because there's no telling. I have no idea how old this thing is.
Probably the 60s at least.
At least, yeah. And it's really heavy. It's all metal.
It didn't come with the bowls weren't with it.
Right.
So these are just our bowls.
Yeah. So we're going to start. He's going to start by trying to make some cookies with it. Since that bowl's not going to turn, probably.
Yeah.
Anyway, and he's adding some butter to the eggs. It's all mixed in good. Yeah, that bowl's not designed for it, so it's not turning. Here it goes. Let's see if this thing will work. The beaters are a little bit wonky. I might see if, like, on eBay or somewhere I can find
replacements.
Yeah, replacement beaters and maybe some other attachments.
It might be there might be a dough hook sort of thing. Who knows?
Yeah.
I don't know. It has a thing in the front for stuff like a meat grinder, stuff like that, pasta machine, whatever.
Let's see if this old thing, if we can make it work. Is that sitting down there on your wall?
What?
Is it on the pedestal? Anyway, this is a mix that we had, chocolate chip cookies. We thought we'd try to make these. Okay, he's going to scrape it down. Start again. And, you know, y'all know we're off-grid, so we've got the generator running. This has actually got very low wattage.
125.
Yeah, 125, so that's not too bad. I figured being an older machine like this, it would be a lot more. You know, I'm guessing these are just drop cookies, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm guessing.
Since it's a very thin batter. Anyway, I got in here this morning, scrubbed it up real good, and I will link you to the video where we found this. Actually, it was a curbside pickup last year. And I'll probably research it some more, see if I can find more information about it.
I think it's about as good as it's going to be mixed.
Okay.
It's not as thick as cookie dough.
Right.
It is more battery.
Yeah, it's like cake batter or something.
Yeah.
Well. Okay then.
It mixed them though.
Yeah, it did mix them. So there you go. Let me get another. There you go. 1 amp, 125 watts, 115 volts. There's the model number and everything. If you know anything about this, leave a comment below and let me know about it. Okay, I guess that's all for that today. Well, I'll take a picture of the cookies before I upload this. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.